Let A, B, C be positive real numbers such that log B base A equal to 2, log C base B equal to 3, log A base C equal to 4. Find the value of log A raised to power 3, B raised to power 2, C base A, B, C. Let's express our logs in a common base, usually base 10. And I want you to recall that log y base x equal to log y over log x. Set log A equal to L. Let us rewrite this logarithm. Log B base A equal to 2. Using this format, we can say that log B base A is log B over log A equal to 2. Multiply both sides by log A. So log B equal to 2 log A, and our log A is L. So log B equal to 2L. Also, log C base B equal to 3. Log C base B equal to 3. Using this format, log C base B can be written as log C over log B equal to 3. Multiply both sides by log B. So log C equal to 3 log B. But don't forget that our log B equal to 2L. So log C equal to 3 multiplied by 2L, which is 6L. Let us consider this. Log A base C equal to 4. Using this format, we can rewrite it as log A over log C equal to 4. Log A is L, log C is 6L. So L over 6L equal to 4. L here 1, L here 1. 6 multiplied by 1 will give us 6. 1 over 6 equal to 4. 1 over 6 equal to 4 is incorrect. But why does this happen? These three conditions cannot all hold for real positive numbers at the same time. This is a famous property of cyclic logarithms. Their product must satisfy a consistency condition. But here, the numbers 2, 3, and 4 violate that. So we have to ignore the contradiction and solve formally. The questions ask us to find log a raised to power 3 b raised to power 2 c base a b c. Using this concept that log y base x equal to log y over log x. So this expression can be written as log a raised to power 3 b raised to power 2 c over log a b c. Let us calculate the numerator. Log a raised to power 3 b raised to power 2c using logarithm property equal to log a raised to power 3 plus log b raised to power 2 plus log c. And log a raised to power 3 can be written as 3 log a plus log b raised to power 2 can be written as 2 log b plus log c. Our log a equal to L, our log b equal to 2L, and our log c equal to 6L. So let us substitute it into this expression, which equal to 3 multiplied by L plus 2 multiplied by 2L plus 6L. We are going to have 3L plus 4L plus 6L. If we add everything together, we are going to have 13L. This is our numerator. Let us also calculate the value of the denominator. Log ABC using logarithm property equal to log A plus log B plus log C. Our log A is L plus our log B is 2L plus our log C is 6L. So if we add everything together, it's going to give us 9L. So let us substitute 13L for this and also 9L for this. So it's going to be 13L over 9L, which will give us 13 over 9. Therefore, our log a raised to power 3 b raised to power 2c base ABC equal to 13 over 9. That is our answer.